I bet right now you're on social media, on YouTube, typing in, how can I make money this month? And especially, how can I make $10,000 this month? Before hitting record, I thought to myself, what video do I want to create? What topic do I want to talk about? And immediately my mind went to money. Hi guys, it's Sabah, the owner of a multi-six-figure online business. And today I want to go through the top 5 ways that you can make $10,000 a month this year. Now I know you're probably overwhelmed because you're just scrolling through like TikTok, searching on Google, on YouTube, Instagram, trying to find the perfect and simplest way in order for you to make money where you don't have that much capital to spend, nor do you want that much overhead. It's just gonna be really easy for you to get on social media and start making money. Because there's also a lot of people online saying, make money using drop shipping, make money with e-commerce, make money with affiliate marketing, but they don't tell you it takes months and months and months to actually get paid, and you probably need like a few $1,000s in order to get started. I'm gonna share with you today 5 ways that you can make money that requires zero capital at all whatsoever, and you can literally start getting paid today if you wanted to. And before I get into it, I went through so many failed businesses before I personally found my love for coaching. I did e-commerce, I did do drop shipping, I started a podcast show, I tried to sell t-shirts, like I did so much until I found my love for coaching, and I'm gonna break down what you can start to do today to start making money. So let's begin, shall we? Number 1 is being a coach. Coaching. I love to coach because I'm a coach myself, but coaching is basically sharing the knowledge that you already have and giving someone the step-by-step in order for them to solve the solution for a problem they're having or to learn something. Typically, when you think of coaches, you might think of like a football coach or like a soccer coach, but right now, nowadays, people are hiring coaches for their relationships, for their mindset, for copywriting, for business, for learning how to be more confident. There are so many different niches that you can become a coach in. And for you, all you have to think about is, what are you passionate about? What skills you might already be doing in a business or a job you work at, and what is the demand in the marketplace? Before I became a coach, I asked myself all 3 of these questions. What am I passionate about? I love writing and I love graphics. I'm like, okay, I could probably be a really good coach for social media. I looked at demand in the marketplace. There were so many people needing help when it came to being comfortable on camera, knowing what to write in copy, how to grab attention. And then I looked on social media and found all of these other people coaching and doing the exact same thing. And I personally already had the skill because honestly, like I feel like I'm a natural born writer, but of course I got better over time and through practice. So right now, just think about like, what is something that you absolutely love? I would honestly just take out a piece of paper and start writing down things that you like, start writing down skills that you already do on a daily basis, and then do some research. Try and find coaches that are in the niche that you want to start a business in and see if they are making money. If they are, and if you found a lot of them, that is a good sign, okay? It's not oversaturated at all whatsoever because people buy from you because of your story and your experience. Now, in terms of the actual product and service, there are so many different ways to create products for coaching. The first thing that I started with was one-on-one coaching, which is basically hourly consulting or in like a 3-month, 8-week, or 6-week package where basically you meet with your client every single week. You give them the steps that they need in order to find the transformation, in order to solve the problem, and then you're there for support, and it's really, really easy. You can also create group coaching programs, so when you get to a point in your business where you can't take on any more one-on-one clients, you can start creating coaching programs that you teach one-to-many. So now I have one-on-one offers and I have group coaching. So for an example, if someone wants to learn how to create really good content on Instagram to grow their following, I can create a 4-week coaching program and everybody can join, and that doesn't require me to exchange more of my time because I'm teaching one-to-many. So there's a lot of different ways that you can structure out coaching, and that might be something that you want to do, especially if you are somebody who loves to teach and you're somebody who loves to work with clients in a much more intimate way. Number 2 is courses. Now, I want to start off by saying sometimes courses get a bad rep in the industry because they think it's scammy, the information is outdated, it. It's just not something that is good because, people don't even like courses. But for me, I actually started my business by buying a course. I remember I saved the money from my part-time job working at a jewelry store, and I bought my first course, which was I think $99, learning about social media. And I went through the entire thing and started to build an audience just by that course. People will buy courses on any topic, okay? Anything, right? So it can literally be how to set up a studio to record YouTube videos. It can be how to speak on camera. It can be how to cook healthy meals. It can be something about how to drive a sports car, literally anything and everything. People are looking for courses to buy. Now, this is similar to coaching, but the difference between coaching and selling a course is a course is all hands off. So it's basically someone signs into a portal, a membership area. There's video training. Sometimes there can be guides and action steps that they take. And that is it. They buy and they go through it on their own. So you're actually not talking to the client. There is no one-to-one, and you're not exchanging your time for money. So this can be a really good option for you if you're looking for something that is much more passive and you don't have 24/7 to work on your business. Courses, it's great if, maybe you are working a part-time job and you want a side hustle, if you're a mother, or heck, you just want a course because you want to sell something passively. I have courses that I sell on the background, which is amazing because days that I might not want to coach or I might not want to sell something where I have to sit on a call with somebody, I can just sell my course and still make money from it. Now, the third thing is digital products, and courses go under digital products, but there are so many other digital products that you can create that will allow you to hit $10,000, if not more, in your business. So digital products can be courses, ebooks, cookbooks, PDFs, audios, templates, basically anything that you are giving someone digitally, right? So if you think about it, people might be searching online for email templates or how to write a resume. They might be searching for different recipes to create if they're gluten-free. And what you can do if you're passionate about it, you have the skills to teach it, and there's demand in the marketplace, you can create a digital product and start selling through social media. I have seen people literally make hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars selling a $30 digital product. Isn't that crazy? Because you can use social media to start promoting and selling your digital products online. This is something that can be completely passive for you, and you don't have to speak to anybody. You can literally just sell digital products and make $10,000 a month from it. I have digital products. I have an ebook that I sell that focuses on copywriting. And if someone comes to me asking, hey, I want to learn how to write copy, how to create really good content, I will just send them that link. And I even have some of my digital products weaved into email automation. So if someone opts into a freebie, a training, they find my Instagram, my YouTube video, they can opt in for something free. And then on the back end, I have an email automation that is set up to sell them the digital product. So for them, they're trying to find a solution for a problem they're having, and I have a solution right there for them. This can even be journals. Something that I'm coming out with soon is journals. I love to journal so much, and a lot of people, they want to start journaling, but they don't know the right or correct way to do it. So there's so many different ways and so many different ideas that you can do. You can even do t-shirts. That's not necessarily digital products, but if you find online companies like Printify, you can literally upload the graphic or the logo or whatever you want on the t-shirt, and you don't even have to touch the t-shirt. They will send it directly to your client, and this is what it's called, print on demand. So digital products, it's just so amazing. There's so many different ways and so many different type of products that you can create. Now we're getting close to the end, but number 4 is social media marketing. This is literally one of the top paying jobs right now this year. The reason why is because everybody is on social media. Since COVID, since 2020, businesses didn't have a choice but to get on social media, and a lot of people, they don't know how to use social media. They don't know how to create graphic designs. They don't know how to copyright. They don't know how to grab people's attention. They don't know how to build an audience, build a brand. There are so many different opportunities and skills that you can learn if you don't have the skills skills already to be a social media manager. And I have some clients and some friends who literally make like $20,000 a month, if not more, being a social media manager. Because think about it, being a social media manager or marketer, you're either creating the content for them and posting it, or you're just doing the posting for them. So for an example, if you have a specific package, and I actually did this right before I ever became a coach, I had a social media management package where on Instagram, I would help local businesses grow their social media and get clients into the door. The package that I had was, I'll create 5 designs for you and post on social media every single week for $500 reoccurring every single month. So like, do the math. I'm not great at math, so you do the math on your own. If you get like 5 clients, 5 times 5, that's $2,500 on the side. Now, as you start to build and scale, I raised my rates to $1,000, then $1,500, and soon you can have like 5 clients at $2,000 a month and hit your goal of $10,000. Okay, so with social media marketing or social media management, it's one of the best ways nowadays to get clients and to hit $10,000 in your business, or even bring that in as side income if that's something that you don't want to do full time. Now, the last thing that you can do to make $10,000 a month is being a virtual assistant. This is honestly what I'll say is probably one of the easiest ways that you can make money on social media right now, because like what I was saying earlier, there are so many people who need help with their business, who need help with creating content, who need help with organization, who need help with just support. If you are skilled at emails, you're skilled at organization, you know, like you're tech savvy, you know the ins and outs of social media, you can honestly go online and post like your portfolio or post a listing that you can be a virtual assistant for small businesses or big businesses. And you can use websites like Fiverr or Upwork to find people who are ready to pay you literally today in order for you to start making money in your business. I've seen this happen with so many people that I know. They're like, oh, I want to make some side income. So they post a listing on like Upwork, and then they get one client at like $1,000 a month. Amazing. Then they get another, then they start to raise their prices, and before they ever know it, they have a 6-figure income. This just blows my mind sometimes, because you can literally make more money on social media without having to commute to a job, without having a boss that you might hate, without having to ask for paid time off or just time off to go on vacation. You can literally have a 6-figure income by using social media, and now is the perfect time to do so. This is why I'm so passionate about creating videos like this, and that's even why I created my YouTube, because I have never worked a real 9-to-5 job before ever in my life, and I started simply by, once again, just posting content on Instagram for local businesses when I was in college, and then I evolved into becoming a coach and online consultant. These are the top 5 ways that I would recommend you to make $10,000 and be at a 6-figure run rate this year if you're trying to figure out how to make money using the internet. So if you love this video, comment below, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos, and also let me know in the comments what topics that you want to see on social media, how to make money, manifestation, attraction, all of the above, so that way I can create videos specifically for you. Catch me in the next video, and until then, make sure that you stay unforgettable.